ESL, first day at work roleplay. Many of us have to teach adult learners, especially learners that are going to a new job. So I found this free PPT where you can practice the first day at work with your learners. This is a free PPT from the Twinkle website. You can go and download it. I put the link in the description below. You can use this resource to practice some conversations with your learners. ESL first day at work roleplay, and you can see it comes from the Twinkle website. Today is Jessica's first day of work. What does she need to know? You have to ask your students these questions. If you start at a new company or you start a new job, what do you need to know? What does she need to know? Who? You try and get your students to give you some answers. Who is your colleague? Who is your boss? Who can you talk to? So you get some of these ideas from your students. What else does she need to know? Where? Where do I sit? Where can I copy? Where do I eat lunch? Where is the office? So you can ask questions like that. What time do we start? What time is lunch? What time is the meeting? What time do we leave? How do I do my job? How do I copy? How do I turn on my computer? You have to elicit these questions from your students. What is my job? What do I have to do? And then here are some of the possible things. Who works in our office? Where everything is? What time to start and finish work? How the coffee machine works? Very important. What to do if she has a problem. Remember, it's very important to know the polite question form. May I ask? Could you please tell me? I'm sorry to bother you, but would you please help me with? And the students can practice some of these questions. You can say, oh, what do you need help with? Oh, may I ask, how can I do this? May I ask, what is my job? So you can ask, I'm sorry to bother you, but where is the bathroom? I'm sorry to bother you, but where is the restroom? Could you please tell me how to turn on my computer? Would you please help me with the copying machine? Also, remember some polite responses. That's very kind of you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. That's much clearer now. Thank you. I'm sorry. I don't quite understand. I'm still struggling. Could you say that again? I'm just learning English. Could you rephrase that? I would put my students with a partner and I would ask them to come up with some polite questions and polite responses that they can do together. Maybe 2 for each partner where they ask the question and the partner has to give an answer. So let each pair practice it together and then take feedback from your students. There are 2 conversations that your students can practice, and they can also replace some words and some ideas in there to make it more personal to themselves. So this is a fun role play that your students can do when they first start a job. Let your students practice it and become more confident when talking about the topic. I'm Eric from Execute, and I'll see you next time.